Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Equifax subscription step by step. First, go ahead and log in to your Equifax account. From here, look for the subscription tab and click on it. This will take you to a page showing details about your active plan. Next, click on Subscription Plan. You'll now see all the information about your current plan, including billing and renewal details. Under the selection labeled My Active Plans, you'll find an option that says Cancel Subscription. Click on that. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Simply click confirm and your Equifax subscription will be successfully canceled. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Equifax subscription. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.